Did you know pulling all-nighters could be secretly destroying your brain? A shocking new study reveals, sleep deprivation the silent killer, aging your brain 30% faster. But that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to how staying up late wrecks your health. What exactly happens to your body when you consistently miss sleep? Why does just one night of bad rest make you crave junk food? How does sleep loss turn you into an emotional wreck? Could your late-night phone scrolling be giving you dementia? What's the real connection between all-nighters and heart disease? And most terrifying of all, are these brain changes permanent? When you skip sleep night after night, your brain literally starts eating itself like it's gone full zombie mode. Scientists found chronic sleep deprivation causes your brain's cleanup crew, called glial cells, to freak out and start breaking down important neural connections you actually need. This isn't just about feeling foggy or spacey the next morning. We are talking about actual structural damage that makes your brain age way faster than it should. The scariest part. This self-cannibalization process hits memory centers hardest, which explains why night owls constantly forget where they put their keys and blank on names. Your neurons desperately need those overnight hours to repair DNA damage from daily wear and tear. Without proper rest, those tiny injuries pile up like unpaid parking tickets that eventually wreck your credit score. Your waistline pays the price for those late Netflix binges too. And not in a good way. Sleep loss completely messes with your hunger hormones, turning you into a snack monster craving carbs and sugar while slowing your metabolism to a crawl. One eye-opening study showed sleep-deprived people ate nearly 600 extra calories per day. That's enough to pack on 30 pounds in a year without even realizing it. Even worse, your body becomes totally inefficient at processing insulin when you are tired, basically rolling out the red carpet for diabetes. That midnight snack craving isn't about willpower failure. It's your exhausted brain screaming for quick energy to stay awake, like chugging Red Bull when you are crashing hard. Ever notice how everything seems like the end of the world when you're running on no sleep? Sleep deprivation cranks up emotional reactions by 60% while completely shutting down your ability to think straight. Scans show the amygdala, your brain's built-in panic button, goes into overdrive after poor sleep, while the prefrontal cortex, aka your inner voice of reason, checks out like it's on vacation. This dangerous combo explains why exhausted people pick stupid fights, make terrible decisions, and freak out over tiny problems. Your sleep-deprived brain literally can't tell the difference between spilling coffee on your shirt and an actual emergency. Everything feels like a 5-alarm fire when you are running on empty. Those late-night phone scrolling sessions might be planting seeds for future dementia, and that's no joke. During deep sleep, your brain flushes out toxic proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease like a nightly cleaning crew. Missing just one night of proper rest lets these dangerous compounds build up like trash piling up in your kitchen, and nobody wants to live like that. Chronic sleep loss in your 30s and 40s could mean earlier, senior moments, since your brain never gets proper cleaning time. The scary truth nobody tells you: dementia doesn't just suddenly appear at 60. It starts with decades of hitting snooze on your sleep needs. Your heart takes a serious beating from all-nighters too, and we are not talking about romance. Just 1 week of shortened sleep messes with hundreds of genes related to cardiovascular health, increasing inflammation and making your arteries stiff as pipes. Regular sleep deprivation sends your blood pressure soaring, puts crazy strain on your heart muscle, and makes blood clots more likely to form. Studies show people who consistently sleep less than 6 hours have 48% higher heart disease risk, and that's regardless of how healthy they eat or how much they exercise. Your heart needs those overnight hours to chill out and repair itself. Skipping them is like redlining your car's engine 24/7 without ever changing the oil. The million-dollar question: can you undo the damage before it's too late? Here's some hope. Young brains bounce back surprisingly well after returning to healthy sleep patterns, like a champ recovering from a bad hangover. But the longer you keep burning the midnight oil, the harder it gets to fix the damage. Some studies suggest certain cognitive losses might become permanent after years of sleep deprivation. Your brain wants to forgive those all-nighters, but only if you start giving it the quality rest it deserves, beginning tonight. Hit that subscribe button if you are ready to take back control of your sleep and your health, because your future self will thank you for it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks a bunch.